welcome to the 100 sub special of my channel. Today we have a 5.1 system teardown by Medion. Not sponsored. Getting inside. Let's see what the back is. So we have auxiliary. 5.1 channel plugins, so you need like special circuit board for that, or just plug it into your computer. These are all the speaker outputs. These RCA. And this is the fuse down here. 5 amps, 250 volts, and here's the the power input. 25 volts, 50 hertz, 2.2 amps, and here you just have a switch on and off. Okay, so I already took the cover off of the subwoofer. Oh, this is the front, if y'all need to see this. Volume, bass. So you can choose 5.1 channel or just stereo. And this is a port. Very nice. The other speakers, well, this is the center speaker. It says 8 ohms, 5 watts, and apparently this is just a speaker. This is the cone, and somewhere in here is a magnet. I'll show you. See? There's a spider and a voice coil and a magnet. So there's no extra speaker in here. This just is the speaker. And that's with all 5 of these. Well, let's get into this bastard. So, got all the screws undone. You probably saw it already in the time lapse. I don't think I need to undo these screws yet, because I think these are in the circuit board that's inside. I mean, I hope there's a circuit board inside. I'll pull on this maybe. Oh. Yup, I guess. Oh, I need to undo some connectors. And they're stuck with glue. Wow. I'll try to get the connectors off. Wait a minute. As you can see, I also got all the... Now, I got all the screws off the back. I don't think I missed one. Nope. Now I can get the boards out, I hope. Oh. Oh, those are glued on too. There you go. Some force and you'll get it done, huh? Oh, screws. Now y'all can see the insides. So there's a circuit board with a big capacitor. These are all the outputs and inputs. The switch, the input, and the fuse. I don't know why there's a fuse on there when there's only 25 volts, but I guess they did. And yeah, still can't undo these. Oh, well, okay. Wow, that one came off easier than the rest. Can I undo this heat sink? Or maybe I can just... There you go. Let me find a flathead screwdriver. Here's one. There we go. Stuff. Oh, there you go. There's screws here. So we're about to get into the back there. This little cage, I guess. Cage. There we go. That's a big capacitor, I like it. Look at that, that's a lot. Well, let's see if we can... there's screws in there. Okay, now I'm gonna do a time lapse. Okay, so there are 4 screws in here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one I can't get out because the woofer's is in the way, so I'm just gonna undo the woofer. Oh, let's pop him out. Oh, wait, he went flying. Pretty nice. Let's see. 8 ohm, 25 watts. A little dusty here. Should clean my hands. Not bad. I'll put this over here. Yeah, now we can get to that 4th screw. I actually don't know why there's this big blob of glue over here. Like, look at this. Oh, there's a little circuit board in here too. Just get the volume knobs off. Ooh. Oh, that one went flying. Just a moment. I'm gonna find a scissors. Okay, I found a pair of scissors. Ah. Oh, you can even see it from here. Like glue. Really not the best solution. Can I get this board out? There we go. Yay, I can get the potentiometers out. Yay! There it is. Volume, bass, and stereo and stuff. I can get a lot of stuff from this. Potentiometers, the LED, transistors. And I'm just gonna get this plastic off. I really want to. Well, that was a lot of glue on my face, but yeah. I'll just show you everything I got from this thing. So here it is. All of the stuff I got from it. Oh, the main panel, inputs, volume control, screws, fuse thingy, front thingy, a lot of these cords and stuff. Well, the back panel and the, oh, I forgot something. The main part of it, the subwoofer. Very nice. Cool. Now I just want to get into one of these ones, the mid-channel ones. So now I'm just gonna check out what's inside one of these ones. Of course, the one that I already ripped, kinda. So there's this actually pretty long RCA cable on it, and that I can't get off, so I'm just gonna rip this along the sides. Let's see, what should I do now? Oh, here you have the terminals of it. It has terminals, look at that. See, it has terminals. Plus and minus, and this goes straight to the cord. I'm just gonna, oh! Not gonna lie, that's a big coil. That's a little, it just has a little flex to it, but there's a little neodymium magnet in there. I don't know why they just stuck that in, but wow. Yeah, that's a surprisingly big coil. Well, the subwoofer has a bigger coil, but this is big for only 5 watts. Okay, I can't do this. I can't do this. Oh, look at that. Sorry. Sometimes I'm just off screen. But look at that design. That's strange. I'm putting too much force on this thing. No. This stuff. How? What? Huh? Why would you make a speaker like that? That's pretty weird. Now I just want to hook this one up to my amplifier. Just a moment. Let's get some non-copyrighted music. From 0 to Z, why not? Wow. When I put my finger on it, it's way better. You need to hear this bass though. Hear that? Wait, maybe I should just... Yeah. Hopefully this thing is any good. But if it sounds the same, it's not good. That's nice. Adding a little bass there. Let me just get some more light. Let me check how big this thing is. Oh, never mind. Let me just get this seal off. Where the oh, it's off. Oh my god. Weird. Really nice. I like it. It just needs to be a box. It just needs to be in a box. Otherwise you have this air noise and stuff. But it looks nice. Very nice. Well. Oh, this is the bass part. Nice. Cool. Really nice. So, that was the 100 sub special. Hope you guys liked it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next 100. Bye.